This is one of the breakdowns of a magnificent toy from Sega about a decade ago, and which has two sensor, two speaker. I think it's three. There's more electronic in the head area. Head area has, you see the blinking lights. It's very delicate mechanisms. It's it has even a sensor, light sensor, and this part is like the tank turret, and the head is supposed to be turning, but we will get into the gearbox in a moment. Control board, another sensor, which is a microphone powered by two motors, and there's a lot of wires, speakers, and the chest go up and down, and leg also. This is the leg, and the leg also has movement, and another sensor. There's a touching a sensor as at the skull and at the tail as well, which is a sensitive to touch. And what the problem with this particular product is, the head would not function. The head would not turn. That is the head gear, which the chain, and as you can see, it's come loose. There's no reason for the heads to turn because it's where the problem is. It's loose. Even if you put it back, it will not help. And there's an answer. The only problem is this gearbox need to be fixed permanently. It's a right gear, but it's loose, and it would not be any help of any sort. Only if you can fix it permanently. I currently do not have the appropriate. It has to be the right gear for the head function to be restored. Get into the gearbox in a minute. Gearbox. Putting them back together is a head scratching task. This gearbox has a random. Now you click upward, you click downward. So only two motor empowering three major functions. Gearbox set number 1, gearbox set number 2. That should be the third one. The third one is disengaged. It need to be repaired, and currently have no parts to repair. That's the head gear. So you do with these random components, only two motors is required for three major functions in terms of movements. So the head won't turn. When the head do not turn, there's some issue with the control. With the control board wire has no label whatsoever. It's a nightmare. One wire has already come loose. So with this ferry, guys, it's so difficult to open up to maintain and repair. And putting back together is nearly impossible. So this is a great engineering toy a decade ago. Only product from Japan would think of such a complex, unimaginable achievement. Well, when they are in operation, it is something like this. One in, oh my god, blink. Hold on a minute. Blink. Won't blink for me. Yo-ho. I think I break something. It won't blink. See? The leg is moving. Kill. The sensor is not moving. So you get the point.